Hello and Assalamualaikum. I'm Nurin Afikah binti Muhammad Nazri. We're presenting about Chapter 10, E-Commerce, Digital Markets, Digital Goods. 10.4. How has e-commerce affected business-to-business transactions? First, the trade between business firms, business-to-business commerce or B2B represents a harsh marketplace. The process of conducting trade among business firms is complex and requires significant human intervention. Therefore, it consumes significant resources. Some firms estimate that each corporate purchase order for support product costs them on average in administrative overhead. Administrative overhead includes processing paper, approving purchase decision, spending time using the telephone and fax machines to search for products and arrange for purchases, arranging for shipping and receiving the goods. Now, we look into EDI. What is EDI? EDI is Electronic Data Interchange. EDI enables the computer-to-computer exchange between two organizations of standard transaction, such as invoices, bills of lading, shipment schedules, or purchases orders. Transactions are automatically transmitted from one information system to another through a network, eliminating the printing and handling of paper at one end and the inputting of data at the other. EDI originally automated the exchange of documents such as purchase order, invoices, and shipping notice. Although many companies still use EDI for document automation, firms engage in just-in-time inventory replenishment and continuous production use EDI as a system for continuous replenishment. Suppliers have online access to selected parts of the purchasing firm's production and delivery schedules and automatically ship materials and goods to meet specified targets without intervention by firm purchasing agents. See Figure 10.6. It shows that Electronic Data Interchange (EDI). Companies use EDI to automate transactions for B2B e-commerce and continuous inventory replenishment. Suppliers can automatically send data about shipments to purchasing firms. The purchasing firms can use EDI to provide production and inventory requirements and payment data to suppliers. Although many organizations still use private networks for EDI, they are increasingly web-enabled because internet technology provides a much more flexible and low-cost platform for linking to other firms. Businesses can extend digital technology to a wider range of activities and broaden their circle of trading partners. Procurement, for example, involves not only purchasing goods and materials but also sourcing, negotiating with suppliers, paying for goods, and making delivery arrangements. Next is new ways of B2B buying and selling. What is private industrial network, or we call as a private exchange? Private industrial network typically consists of a large firm using a secure website to link to its suppliers and other key business partners. And then what is net marketplace? Net marketplace, which are sometimes called e-hubs, provides a single digital marketplace based on internet technology for many buyers and sellers. Figure 10.7 show a private industrial network. A private industrial network known as a private exchange that links a firm into a suppliers, distributors, and other key business partners for efficient supply chain management and other collaborative commerce activities. Then direct goods. Direct goods are goods used in a production process such as sheet steel for auto body production. What means by indirect goods? Indirect goods are all other goods not directly involved in the production process, such as office supplies or products for maintenance and repair. And last is about exchanges. Exchanges are independently owned third-party net marketplaces that connect thousands of suppliers and buyers for spot purchasing. Many exchanges provide vertical markets for a single industry, such as food, electronics, or industrial requirement, and they primarily deal with direct inputs. So that's all from me. Bye bye, thank you, and Assalamualaikum.